Alright, hey guys, we're back in another video. Today, I got to fix my, so for the past few videos, right, you couldn't hear me or anything or see my webcam. It was because, I don't know what happened. But, so for the past few days, I didn't have this webcam that I'm recording on right now. So now I have the webcam and I can record. You know what I mean? So let's see. I'm gonna join you. Alright, let's see. So I have played this game before, but I'm here with my man Brian. Hi. Yeah. You know, so let's see. I'm trying to save up for right here.
Sure, you would get that.
I get it, Brian. Look how much money I have. I'm close. I'm very close.
And I'm closer.
Let me move this out the way. Hold up, move. Thank you.
No.
Right, so we can sit you right there.
Why you not laying off 4,000 cents? I can't remember.
Right. Let's just try to even out the screen right now. Right. Nope. Let's scooch that over there a little. There.
I'm gonna do the obby.
So let's see. I played this game before. I have this much money. Oh, I can press autofly. Hold up. I'm not autofly. This is what I love about this game. It's just so cool, just you walking without touching your keyboard. Like, watch this. I won't touch my keyboard and it'll auto run. Brian's not even touching his keyboard, if you can see. Oops. If you can see Brian, he's not even touching his keyboard.
I'm gonna put my hands up.
Shoot. I need to get this at the right angle. I might just sit it somewhere. Yeah, I might just sit it over here.
I'm putting my hands up.
Alright. So, sit you right here. That should be good. Alright. Well, while we auto run, let's talk about what I'm gonna do. I want some more subscribers. I am a low YouTuber. So let's see. Brian has 35k coins. Let's see, I can open my spin. 6 times of free spins today.
Where is it?
Please.
I don't see.
Where did it land? It landed on that much coin. Okay. Wait, hold up.
Where did you get that?
What?
The spinning.
Right there.
Oh yeah, now I can open my spinning. I hope I get the spacecraft.
Alright, something good. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see. I got it, Brian. You said I wouldn't get it.
What did you get?
Ryan's face was like,
I was mad.
let's see. I should unequip you and equip you. There.
My money's pretty close.
It's not.
Yeah. I can do way more stunts than 7,000.
I need to collect some speed here. I wish I had VIP. But let's see. We about to go flying today. Broom. Oh my gosh, I'm going way fast. Can I make it to 100k?
Yo, look at this man.
Nope. I was close though.
This man is so rich with pets.
He rebirthed one time in this game.
Maybe
How? Just how? Look at the dude at the bottom. How?
He's like Sonic.
Okay, but it's a storm for us over here. It's a big storm, like a gigantic storm. There was a big branch that fell down today when I was going to school in the morning. Best speed.
I'm going Sonic now.
Let's see. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What's you? I don't know. I really don't know.
You still flying?
Yeah. That'll just be fine for now. Alright, let's see. Let me see what it sees like in first person.
First person is kind of cool though. When you nails and stuff.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try it without the auto fly.
Imagine our subscribers were playing this.
There probably are. Some people don't even know that they're getting recorded right now.
True.
Like, look at this. That person, his avatar's getting recorded right now.
The person on the top's getting
I'm in 8th place. Brian's in 11th place. Nice. Not so bad, Brian. Not so bad. Alright, let's see. Do I have enough
At least I'm less than 15.
Who's the best player in this game?
Me.
I need to pass them up. Let me pass the best player in this game.
Yeah.
Is auto run on? We need auto run. Why do so?
Pew.
It looks like
I can almost get 13
dang.
stuns.
Somebody with
I need more speed.
what? 182 million coins. His highest speed is 781,885. He has 5 that's crazy. I'm not even halfway to that. Look at my coins. Where am I on the leaderboard? How are you better than me? What needs to be better? Is it the score that needs to be better? Coins.
It's corn.
How are you better than me?
Because I am.
I'm so confused. But okay. I'm gonna let that slide. So, let's see. Hold up.
Let's go. The round's starting, guys. I got 80,000. So I'm gonna buy one of those pets.
Ryan, I fell in love with this game. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, this is ready. Hey, my mystery box. Can I spin you?
Is this ready? Imagine I get the epic.
Oh, I got so... Oopsies. Legendary is better, I'm pretty sure.
No, epic is.
Ah.
Epic is better.
Let's put that leaderboard down. What? It didn't go down. You're supposed to go down. There. Now I can sit you guys up.
You're in first. You're in second. I'm in third time.
Of course, now I'm in 3rd.
How did I get 3,000 stars?
No, chill, stop.
Chill.
No, okay, that's fine. That's fine. At least I get some coins.
I'm trading these now.
And I asked the best person to trade. What is What is his name? What is that dude's name that keeps flying on and on? What is his name? Noah? Noah? Is it Noah? No, it's not Noah. Who is it? Noah? I'm trying to find the best person in the game so I can trade with him.
And it's me.
Oh, it's not that. Is it Elthon? Is it Elthon? It's Elthon. It has to be. Yeah, it's him. His name is Elthon Master.
No.
Elthon Master. Where are you?
Bruh. Give me more.
Yeah,
This is.
I'm gonna trade him just in case if it was him. Oh, was it him? It was him. It's this dude. I'm trading him.
Now, give me the
Alright,
epic.
Boom. I'll trade you this.
Give me
this.
the epic.
Now you're not getting this stuff for free, homie. Okay, he declined it. I need this. I need this.
You declined it.
Please, thank you. Oh no, I got a comment. I got a comment.
Wait, Jason, wanna trade? You wanna trade?
I want to get this on my inventory so bad, right here, right here.
You wanna get that out?
Yeah, my inventory.
I'll take it.
You can have this for free, I guess.
Nah, I'm paying you.
Huh?
I'm paying you something.
Alright. That's it. What you gonna give me for? Where's he? Where's he?
This, my best pet.
He is not your best pet. Wait, he might actually be. Yep, he is. Here. No, I'll just give it to you for free.
No.
There. Alright, let's see. Now I can equip my. You're welcome. Now I can equip this thingy. This thingamajig. Well, now we going fast. Oh, shoot. I'm going fast.
You just made me go up to 18. Yo, how do you have a
collect some?
I wanna be VIP, but I can't spend my Robux. Wait,
What's the best pet over here?
ooh, I can spin.
I just feel like it. I don't know why.
Yes, I got 10 extra coins.
I got an uncommon over here. It's not so bad, I mean.
It's not so bad.
It's the worst egg, but and I got an epic from it. I mean, and I spent all my money on this. I don't really care. All my money's gone on this. Does this only cost $15? Only costs like 1K. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to get the legendary on here.
I'm gonna try to do the. I got an epic.
You got the epic. How?
On first try.
He got the epic on this one right here.
First try.
On first, that's crazy. That's just called luck dying.
Nah, you're crazy.
I got a rare. Okay.
I'm gonna take my mom.
I need to spend 3 times. Aw, you won't let me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can auto. I can just auto do this.
Oh yeah. I can buy one more. I got a rare.
You got a rare? Okay, Brian. I see you with the drip.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, another rare. I'm just trying to get this, the legendary. Legendary. I don't care about the rares. Can I just get another epic or a legendary? A legendary will make me stop buying this stuff. Let's go. Wait, how much is it? Oh my gosh, I have so much. Is this the please don't tell me the legendary's bad. This is a no way. I made a shiny. Where's shiny? Shiny.